Hello stunning fan, Michelle here. We're glad you stopped by. In today's video, we're using scrap wood to build a cat feeder that will hold a 35-pound bag of dry cat food. Oftentimes we sketch out what we'd like to build on paper so that we can visualize it and customize the measurements to our needs. We drew out the shape of the sides and used a jigsaw to cut the pieces because there were so many angles. Like I said, we are using all scrap wood, so you're going to see a mismatch of all kinds of wood styles in this build, mostly leftover siding. Then we used the table saw to cut all the larger rips in the siding. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. Tori started breeding Tika registered Bengal cats, and we were building this feeder for one of her outdoor breeding kennels. To assemble the feeder, we used wood glue and a brad nailer with 1 1/4 inch nails and 2-inch nails. First, we assembled the main box portion of the feeder so we could measure and cut the smaller pieces to size. This was much easier than doing all the math. The bottom portion of the feeder required a special angle cut that we simply marked with a pencil, then angled the table saw blade to meet up with that angle. We wanted to be able to remove the lid of the feeder, so we cut 1x2 pine boards and installed them on the underside of the lid to keep it on snugly. We installed a 2x3 stud inside the cat's kennel to support the feeder from the inside. We painted the outside of the feeder with exterior paint and used some caulking to seal the seams.
Hi, cuties.
Then, all that was left was to fill the feeder with cat food and see how the kitties liked it. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.